First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 4 on the topic cube and cuboid, now we are going to solve some question based on the concept called folding and cutting. So friends, listen here, start learning from lesson number 1, only then you can able to understand this concept. Right? So in the previous lesson I have told you 3 concepts in the topic mensuration is important. One is melting, and second is cutting, and the third is folding. So previous lesson we have solved some of the question that is based on melting. So now in this lesson number 4 we will be solving some of the questions that is based on cutting and folding. So before solving all those questions, you have to know the formulas what I have already taught you. So cube, totally we have 4 formulas, and cuboid, totally we have 4 formulas. So totally try to buy out all these formulas. Once you buy out it, solving all the question after knowing these concepts will be very, very simple. So now let me move on to the questions that is based on cutting and folding. Question number 1. A rectangular sheet of metal is 40 cm by 15 cm. So equal square of side 4 cm are cut off at the corners, and the remainder is folded up to form a open rectangular box. So find the volume of the rectangular box. So friends, very interesting question and important question too. So first let me understand the concept of the question. So once you understand the concept, then solving the question is very simple. So before that, let me draw the diagram based on the questions, right? Just here, a rectangular sheet of metal is 40 by 15 cm. What is the meaning of it? Length will be 40 cm. Right? So it's a rectangular sheet, okay. And here what they are saying is, this sheet is of length 40 cm. So we can say that the length of the sheet is 40 cm and the breadth of the sheet is 15 cm. So 40 by 15 cm. Equal square of side 4 cm are cut off at the corners. So what they are saying is, at the corners, right, 4 cm a square shape is cut off, right? So we can say this region they have cut off. Similarly this region, so this region and this region. So at the corners, every corners, a square part which is 4 cm. So this will be 4, this will be 4, this will be 4, and this will be 4. So 4 cm the region was cut off, right? So similarly all these areas. So this area 4 and this area 4. So similarly 4 and 4. So after cutting off, the remaining parts were folded up to form a rectangular box. So our target is to find what is the rectangular box. Just see here, already we know that the length of the box is 40 cm. So now what they are saying, the corner part that is 4 cm is cut off. So we can say that in this area, now the box will be looking like this, yes or no, right? See, 4 cm cut off. So similarly, every corners they have cut at 4 cm. See, understood or not, right? Yes. So now the box will look like this. Now after cutting all these corner region, what they are saying is the remaining parts are folded off. So this area will be folded like this. Similarly this area will be folded like this. This area will be folded like this, and similarly this area will be folded like this. So this. So finally it forms a rectangular box. If we fold all the 4 parts towards upside direction, then we can able to get a rectangular, open rectangular box. So now our target is to find what is the volume of the open rectangular box. So friends, listen here. Already according to the question, the length they have given is 40 cm. But now after cutting, right, after these areas cutted, then what is the length of the box now? So total is 40. So we have eliminated 4 and we have eliminated 4. So totally 8 cm gone. So 40 minus 8 will be 32 cm. So 32 cm, that will be length of the box. Got it or not? So after the square region is cut, 32 cm will be the length of the box. What about the breadth? Already we know that the breadth of the box is 15 cm. But here 4 cm gone, here 4 cm gone. So totally out of 15, 8 cm was cut off. So 15 minus 8 will be 7. So now we got 7 cm will be the breadth. Understood? So what about the height? So height will be this region, because once we fold the box like this, right? So this becomes the height. This becomes the height, which is 4 centimeters. So finally we can say that breadth will be 7 centimeter and height will be 4 centimeter. So friends, understood or not? This becomes the length and this becomes the breadth. Once we fold this cardboard box towards upward direction, so this area will becomes the height of the box. So height will be 4 centimeter. So now we need to find the volume of the box. So volume of the box is equal to L into B into H. So L will be 32, so B will be 7, H will be 4. So 32 into 28. So now we need to multiply this. 8 into 2 will be 16. So 8 3s are 24, 2 2s are 4. So 24, 4, 28. 28 plus 1 will be 29. Remaining will be 2. 3 2s are 6, 8. So finally, and it's centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. This becomes centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. So finally, we can say that the volume of the box will be 896 centimeter cube. So friends, very easy question, right? Once you understand the concept clearly, then solving these types of questions is very simple. So initially, they have given a rectangular sheet. And at every corner 4 centimeter is cut off. 4 centimeter is square, right? A square shape 4 centimeter is cut off. So we have eliminated the square part on all these 4 sides. So after eliminating, according to the given question, the length of the box is 40 centimeter. But now the length becomes 32. Why? Because here 4 centimeter gone, 4 centimeter gone. Right? So remaining will be 32. And we know that according to the question, 15 centimeter is the breadth. So similarly, 8 centimeter gone these two areas. So remaining will be 7. So the remaining areas will be folded off in order to form a rectangular box. So we need to fold this area like this. This will be like this, and this will be like this, and this will be like this. So that we will be getting a open rectangular box. Got it? So once we fold the area like this, this becomes the height of the box, which is 4 centimeter. So finally, the volume of this open rectangular box will be 896 centimeter cube. Will be the answer for question number 1. Question number 2. So from each of 4 corners of a rectangular sheet of a dimension 25 centimeter cross 20 centimeter, a square of side 2 centimeter is cut off and a box is made. So find the volume of the box. So friends, similar concept. So first they have given a rectangular sheet, and that sheet is of length is how much centimeter? So 25 centimeter out of 20 centimeter. So we can say the length will be 25 centimeter sorry, and the breadth will be 20 centimeter. So in this rectangular sheet, at the 4 corners, a side of 2 centimeter, a square side of 2 centimeter was cut off. So here we can say this region will be cut off, right? So this region 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So similarly, all the 4 sides, like a previous question, right? The same concept. So previous question 4 centimeter was cut off, but in this question 2 centimeter was cut off. Got it? All the 4 sides 2 centimeter square region is cut off. So after cutting off, the remaining regions are folded into form a box, right? So this remaining area. So this sheet will be folded like this, and this sheet will be folded like this. So all the 4 sides will be folded like this in order to form a rectangular box. So we know that the total length of the box is 25 centimeter, but here 2 centimeter is removed. So totally 4 centimeter is cut off. So now the length of the box will be only 21 centimeter. Got it? So similarly, the breadth is 20 centimeter. So here 2, 4 centimeter is cut off. So now the breadth of the box will be only 16 centimeter. So remember that if we fold the sheet like this, then this becomes the height of the box. We know that this will be 2 centimeter. So finally, we got the length of the box will be 21 centimeter, and the breadth of the box will be 16 centimeter, and height of the box is 2 centimeter. So now what is the final target? So final target is to find the volume of the box. So volume will be length into breadth into height. So length will be 21, breadth will be 16, height will be 2. So this becomes 21, this with 32, so we can 1 will be 2. So this becomes 4, 3 will be 7, 672 centimeter cube. So this will be the volume of the box. So friends, understood. So first question and second question are a similar concept question. So we have found what is the volume of the rectangular box. So first we need to cut the region according to the question what centimeter they have given. So after cutting the region, we have to eliminate the length. Actual length will be differ after cutting. right? So we need to find what is the length of the original box and the breadth of the original box. Once we cut this area, this becomes the height of the box, because we will be folding this region like this, so that this becomes the height of the box. So length, breadth and height. After knowing all the three values, find the volume. So volume will be easy, length into breadth into height. So substitute all the values here. Finally we will get what is the volume of the box. So this will be the answer for question number 2. Question number 3. A square of side 3 cm is cut off on each corner of a rectangular sheet of a length 24 cm and breadth 18 cm, and the remaining sheet is folded off to form a rectangular box. Find the surface area of the box. So friends, listen here. In the previous 2 questions we have solved, and we finally found what is the volume of the box. But here in the question, everything is a similar concept, but our target is to find the surface area of the box. So very important question. So listen carefully how I am applying the formula here, right? So here you can able to see initially there will be a rectangular box, okay? So rectangular sheet, and of length how many centimeter they have given? 24 centimeter length, and the breadth is of 18 centimeter. So at every corners how many centimeter is cut off? 3 centimeter is cut off. So we can eliminate this small region, got it? So similarly at every corners 3 centimeter is cut off. So this region will be cut off and this region. And already according to the question, the length of the box is 24 centimeter. So now here 3 centimeter, here 3 centimeter. So 6 centimeter is cut off. This becomes the length will be 18 centimeter. Got it? So out of total 24 centimeter, 6 centimeter will be cut off. So 24 minus 6 will be 18 centimeter. So similarly, according to the question, the breadth is 18 centimeter. So out of 18 centimeter, 3 and 3, 6 centimeter is cut off. So now the breadth will be 12 centimeter, right? So we need to fold a box like this, and we need to get an open rectangular box. So if we fold the sheet like this, this becomes the height of the box, right? So height of the box is how much? 3 centimeter, right? So 3 centimeter. So finally we got the length of the box, which is 18 centimeter, breadth of the box will be 12 centimeter, and height of the box is 3 centimeter. So now just listen here, most important area. So what is our target? Our target is to find the surface area of the box. What formula we need to use here? We have learned 2 formulas. One formula is total surface area. Total surface area formula is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. That is the formula what we learned for the cuboid of a total surface area. We have learned another formula called lateral surface area. So 2 into LH plus BH, that is the lateral surface area formula. So what formula you will use here? Just listen here friends. It's a cuboid, it's a rectangular box. But listen here, we don't have a topmost layer. Yes or no? Right? We have this region. Just see, if we fold a box like this, you need to imagine this area, or else you can't able to solve it, right? Just imagine open rectangular box. If we fold all these region towards this side, we will get a box, rectangular box, which is open. But we will not get a top layer. We will have this bottom layer and these side layers, but we will not get a top layer, closed layer. Why? Because it's a open rectangular box. So what I have told you, the lateral surface area will be, in the introduction itself I have told you, lateral surface area will be the 4 layers. These surrounded 4 layer is called as lateral surface area. Total surface area will be all the sides, but the lateral surface area will be the 4 sides, right? Just see here, we need to find what is the surface area. So here lateral surface area plus this bottom layer length into breadth. Understood or not, right? So friends, only if you understood how I wrote this, you can able to solve the question in your exams. Kindly, without knowing the logic, don't buy out this formula, right? Just understand how I write LSA plus length into breadth. So friends, listen here. In this open rectangular box, we don't have a topmost layer. We have 4 layers at the corner and 1 bottom layer, right? So 4 layers at the corner which act as a lateral surface area plus 1 bottom layer. So this bottom layer will be a rectangular piece, length into breadth. So length into breadth. Understood or not? So for this lateral surface area, 2 into LH plus BH. So L into B. Now substitute all the values. So 2 into L will be 18, H will be 3. So similarly BH, so 12 into 3 will be 36. So plus L into B. So L into B will be 18 into 12. So 2 into, so this becomes 8 3s are 24, this becomes 54 plus 36 plus 18 into 12. So this will be 2 into 5 plus 3 will be 8. So 8 plus 10 will be 90. So this becomes 90 plus 8 2s are 16. Remainder will be 1. 10 1 11. So remainder will be 1. So 1 into 1 will be 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. 216. So this becomes 180. So 180 plus 216. So this will be 6. 8 plus 1 will be 9. 2 plus 1 will be 3. 396. So finally we got the surface area of the box will be 396 centimeters square. So friends, listen carefully. You need to understand this one important area. Got it? So this is one important area. So if you understand it, solving the question is very simple. So friends, understood the logic or not, right? So initially it's a open, that you need to remember, it's an open rectangular box. If it is an open rectangular box, we have 4 sides and we have a bottom layer, but the topmost layer will not be there because it's an open rectangular box. So only we are saying this 4 sides according to the lateral formula, lateral surface area, plus the bottom layer L into B, rectangular sheet. Got it? So lateral surface area plus L into B will be the bottom area. So if you find the value, we will get what is the total surface area. Understood? We have substituted all the values and finally we found the total surface area will be 396 centimeters square. So once that's it, I will give you one question as a homework question, similar concept. So try to solve this homework question on your own and check whether you are getting the answer or not. So friends, listen here, the previous lesson and this lesson are most important in the topic mensuration, not only in cuboid. If you take sphere, a same concept will come. If you take cone, again the same concept will come. So remember that folding, cutting and melting. So these 3 concepts are most important in the topic mensuration. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much. Bye.